What's up, boys? Got my boy Cat here today. He's gonna dyno with Jamie. He just pulled up here. Things sound good. Yo, word on the street is you forgot how to drive a K-Series.
I definitely did.
Yeah, you got a GSR shift knob on that thing?
That's the best shifter ever.
That's how I know you old as fuck. You my son, bro. You got the same last name.
Yeah, I adopted myself into the world. I don't know if the world can smell that shit through the camera, but
You smell that shit through the lens?
yeah, that shit kind of wild right now.
You know why your eyes are hurting?
Why?
Because you ain't really used to that race fuel shit.
swear.
His eyes is alright, his eyes is alright, and his eyes is alright.
I'm immune. He smoked crack.
Damn, it's 4 people around the computer. You must have made like 500 horse.
My driver right there.
If you see Cat looking for a run, do not race his ass. That wasn't bad. That was bad. It's probably like 340, 346-ish. 350. Huh? It's a 350? 350. Yo, Cat, how much you made, bro?
Almost 350. Okay.
Damn, Muhammad said down no money. That's basically, that's 350. You still busting his ass, right?
I'm fucking him up.
Fucking him up.
Well, my driver right here. Yo, get over here, ugly.
Yeah.
Get over here. Get over here. This nigga right here. They call him the human. Tell Mattel, this is the real human dog box.
Well, you tell him
He's
to
a
for
dog.
yourself. Yo, Mookie, you gonna let these talk to you like that, bro?
Bro, tell me your name.
This will be planning on racing me, bro. I don't know what he's thinking, bro. I don't know what he's thinking.
Big ass.
I ain't gonna lie to ya. I got my money on Mookie.
That's it, bro. That's it.
Damn. Matt said he pulling us out right now for Mookie, so you got your money on that.
You lucky Jamie tuned the car, bro. But I got my money on Mookie, bro. I got my money all on Mookie. Yo, Mookie, let me see the 1-2 shift, baby.
Nigga, that's a UPS shifter.
On Cat.
One more
what you think it's gonna be?
That's it.
Nah, that's it. It's a wrap for you. R.I.P. Mookie. Yo, hit that save button, bro. Where we at? 349?
I'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take that too.
Okay.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Drop in the comments how fast you think he's gonna go. If Cat drive, I think he's gonna go 11.2. If I drive, I might go 9.50. Yo, Mookie, how fast do you go if you drove his shit?
I drove this shit. Bro, this shit would be like a 9.7.
Hell no,
9.6.
9.7?
I told the fans, I'm asking them. Told them I'm my driver. Tell them your name. Tell them your name, bro. You might be ugly, but you straight. You can do it. With a clutch at.
Yo, you got
With a clutch at.
Yo, he driving automatic. He better off him driving.
I'll let him drive it all day.
Or fuck it, just let me drive.
Take it.
950 versus 1150. I mean, I'll take that
Who
too.
the fuck on 1150?
You?
Oh.
Just finished with the dyno session with my boy Cat. Yo, Cat, real quick before we even get started, what's the setup on the car?
Very simple setup. It's a steel rod motor. It's an 8899. The head is a 156 4 piston motor.
Don't lie to the camera because you know my boy got to look. Check my boy's ITBs though. You can put your whole fist in there.
Yeah, you know.
Or let's start here. How about this? Where did you get the car from? And you had a CRX before, right?
True. Most people might know me from, if you've been following Sonic for the longest, you'll remember that he used to street race like a motherfucker. We tend to race each other every day. I used to have a silver RSX back then. If you look it up, it's what's called All Motor CRX. I mean, All Motor RSX terrorizes 2012-ish.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh, let me just say something to the camera real quick. I never beat Cat with his RSX ever. Every car, you gave me, I think, 2 cars in the lead with my B16B, and you still beat me.
Yeah, them days was fun as fuck. I can't even lie, yo. I'll go back to those over this shit. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was really, very, very fun.
So you had the RSX.
Had the RSX, then at that time, everybody started upgrading. And I started noticing, like, damn, real swap cars was coming out the RSX. So at that point, I said, you know what, let me build something else. And I built a white CRX.
K-Series CRX?
K-Series CRX, it was stock K20. Nothing, I just had fun. I redlined it every gear. I didn't care. They called me the limiter master. If you go into some of my pages, people said that motor wasn't gonna last. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That motor lasts from 2012 till I sold it to Mookie. Who was it? Who I sold that motor to? Kike?
Yeah.
And it's still in the RSX to this day.
So what was the fastest you went in the CRX?
CRX was a 10.8. 10.7, if that.
Stock training.
Stock training, like very stock training, but.
So what happened to the CRX?
All right, so. Back in 2018, I got a little reckless, went out there in the streets, tried to do a pass after being on a dyno, was really stupid with some skinnies. Had skinnies on the back, did a 1, 2, 3. This shit got swirling in the back. Next thing I know, I woke up with dirt in my ears and the shit was upside down. So
real story.
With my boy, you know, EF Calvin, we both survived that. You know, thank God. On some real, it was a real traumatizing situation.
That wanted to make you get out the car game, right?
That honestly did make me get out the car game. It was, I ain't gonna sit here and be like, cause it's your page, but it was from your support and the people that I love, like a lot of support from the car community. But when it came to this car right here, I remember me coming out of surgery. And you hitting me up like, yo, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm alright. So yo, don't worry about nothing. I'm like, I got you. I'm like, yeah, all right, no doubt. Next thing I know, once I told you I was out of surgery, I was good. You said I'm gonna get you a car. Next thing, I woke up the next day. You said I got you a car. You sent me a picture of it. I still got the picture of a fucking title with the back of the car. I was like, this is yours. This is yours right here. I'm like, really? So this is in August of 2018. He kept it in the shop till I decided to put it together, which was in December 2018.
And that was before the shop was already built. None of this was inside. The car was here without electricity. The car was parked over there in the corner.
With dirt, it was actually dirt floor. I remember the back. So once I told him, I said, to keep me occupied because I was going through rehab, I needed something to do. So the fellas loaded it up for me. Ahmed, his brother, Benny, they loaded it up because, you know, he was out and about. And they loaded up, brought it to my little garage. And from there, I, you know, had something to do. The car was really clean. It was a 94. You know, I was very surprised at how it was. I wasn't a Civic person. I wanted to be different. I wanted the EF, but after the accident, it kind of just threw me away. And I heard EF wheelbases suck at the track. So I said, you know what? Let me get up out of here. So I was grateful for this car right here, man. So, you know, New England definitely hooked me up, man. I can't even lie about that.
What's the goals for the season for the car?
Honestly, I really want to run at least a few 9-second passes. Not even no crazy passes, but I really want to be in the index. I'll even stay in like a 1050 index if that. You know, I'm not trying to be out there to compete. I just want the car to last. Jamie does a wonderful job each time. He really looks out, you know what I mean? Real good, man. You know, I can't sit here and it's wonderful. I'm really happy with what it did just now. You know, for the simplest setup it got, you know. Took me a while, you know, I work every day, so. But
today the car made basically 350 horsepower. Car's ready to go. You definitely need alignment though. You probably picked up 75. Nah, we probably picked up another 50.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cause Jordan J-Rock, that's my man. He always, That's one person that influenced me a lot too. Every time I come with something, I ask either them, yo, you think I should do this? You think I should do that? He always the one that tell me, yo, do this and do that. But at certain times, I be wanting not to come to the shop because they tell me, oh, you know, you need this. That shit might be $2 grand here and $2 grand here, but it makes me think like, damn, I'll be better off or better not. Then I'm sitting at home, then I go back to work. Can I get some extra hours? Like, I need this. But then I come here, Sonic always looks out for me, give me deals on everything I get. If it ain't on the shelf, he makes it happen next day, 2 days later. He's like Amazon. We call him Amazon. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see what we can do this year. It's a simple thing, you know.
You going to the 13203 track rental?
I got to. I got show love to Nick. I met Nick a long time ago. We used to play on PlayStation 3 for the longest, Call of Duty like hell.
Damn, PlayStation 3?
PlayStation 3.
Yo, Mookie, you got a PlayStation 3?
PS5.
But that was back, you gotta think about that's back 2009. Nick was doing his thing, so at that time.
Yeah, he was the first person I knew that had a K-swap.
Yeah, I ain't had no car. I ain't had no car on that level to be sitting in there with the 13203 crew. But now, you know what I mean? I got something, so I always try to go and support, even if, you know what I mean? I don't care how much it costs. I'll support just because it's always a good time there. Everybody definitely have a good time all the time. So, you know.
I set up, my boy got a all motor K series, 4-piston head, right?
4-piston head.
Cartel, those are 4-piston ITBs.
Those are 4-piston ITBs.
The 4-piston was 71.5.
Correct.
Non-lean, 16 volt cage, and it needs to be cut.
It definitely needs to because the ASP header, old school.
That shit looks good. It looks like the Myers header too.
I got it's a training, stock training. Well, PPG 1 too.
Shit ain't no stock training. Don't let his ass lie to you. So
no, actually, the training ain't stock.
The training.
Hold up, the training is actually, I got it from this man right here.
Nah.
We call him Ronnie Ho.
Nah. All right, my boy's final number is 350 horse. So if you guys want to follow his page at allmotorcat_DC5, you can check him out.
It is.